To stop a specific app from sending you notifications, we'll go to Settings and scroll down to Notifications. From here, we'll go to App Notifications, and you'll see a list of all your apps with a toggle next to them, indicating which apps are allowed to push out notifications. The quick way to disable notifications is to simply turn that toggle off for every app you don't want to see notifications from. If you tap an app, you'll see some more options for the notifications coming from that app. You can choose what type of notifications are enabled, whether sounds are enabled, and for example, whether the app icon is allowed to show notification badges, which are those red little numbers indicating there's unread notifications. If you go back to your main notification settings, there's something called Notification Categories, which gives you even more control over notifications. First, we'll need to go back to Notification Settings, and from there, choose Advanced Settings. From there, you'll want to make sure Manage Notification Categories for each app is toggled on. This is the setting that allows us to customize things a little further. Now with that toggle turned on, I'll go back to my app notifications. I can choose any app from the list, and as long as notifications are enabled for the app, I can scroll down to Notification Categories to choose what type of notifications are allowed. This app, for example, allows me to disable everything, but leave high-priority notifications enabled. The categories vary between apps. Some have more categories available, some have less. But this is a great way to adjust your notifications if you want more control over what is shown and what gets hidden. And that's how you control your notifications. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.